This is Ms. Kalaman, and I am going to demonstrate how to input your Model 1 schedule into your Model 1 template. First, to get started, you will need to make a copy of the 8th grade virtual template. Since the template is a read-only or a view-only, you will not be able to edit it. So you will need to make a copy and put it in your drive. So as you can see, I've already done that. And I've also used the snipping tool to place my schedule on the screen. You could print it out or you could bounce back and forth between windows, but this is just a little easier to work from. So you will know if you were in Model 1 because at the bottom of your schedule in Model 1, English and math should be at the end of the day, either English first, math second, or math first, English second. They should be periods 12 and 15. That's how you'll be able to confirm that you are in the correct model. So inputting all of this information, homeroom, of course, is first for 10 minutes, and you can simply write the teacher for this one. If you would like this all to fit in, you can use the wrap texting tool, which is right here at the top. There we go. Now, the next period 1, and this is the same. As you can see, this is period 1 through 4 on odd days and even days because it's showing up on D1 and D2, which are the odd and even day designators, which is social studies. Social studies, we know that's a block course. You know you have social studies every single day. So I'm actually going to take all of this and merge it together because it is a class that you have every day. So merge cells, and I'm going to write social studies. You can put your teacher's name in there as well, but I'm just going to keep moving through here. All right. So we did 1 through 4. So this is where it splits. So 5 odd. The top part of your schedule is odd days. The bottom part is even days. So we're going to input the odd days first. So 5 odd, because it's under day 1, 5 odd is PE. So 5, 6 odd is PE. So we're going to put that here. All right, and then we're just going to put 5 even here now. So day 2, period 5. For trimester 1, so we're not going to put trimester 2 in there. Trimester 1 is STEM 2 with Mr. Zalno. Now, STEM is a class that we have period 5, 6, and also 7, 8. So again, I'm just going to make it easier on myself, and I'm going to merge these cells because this is a block class. Now going up to 7 odd, period 7, and again, it's on the left-hand side because it's just on odd days. Period 7, 8 is Intro to French with Mrs. Reynolds. In these models, everyone has lunch at the same time, so we don't need to do anything for lunch. Just know 11:22 to 11:56, you have lunch every day. So let's move on to period 9 and 10. So 9 odd, it's on the left-hand side. 9 odd, we have art, our elective, art 8. Opposite of art, which is 9 even. So we look at the right-hand side. 9 even is chorus. That brings us to the end of the day. We already talked about how English and math are at the end of the day, but period 12, 13, 14 on both days. We have ELA 8. Oh, it's not letting me. There we go. And then finally, we finish the day with algebra, 15, 16, 17 with Mr. Seidel. And as you can see, I now have a completely filled out schedule.